Quick video to clear up any confusion about what I'm asking you to do today. So the first thing I want you to do is to go to Pear Deck, and you can either click on this link here, or you can click on the Pear Deck logo down here, and it's going to open up a self-guided assignment for today. It's probably going to ask you to pick your Google account to sign in with, and then you can let me know how you're feeling. I'm a little bit sad because I'm not going to see you all today. And then it's going to work through the slideshow. Down here in the bottom left, you have your arrows so you can click through. On the slides that have this little audio included button, down here in the corner, you can click on the headphones and click on play.
So when we talk about things that are made up of math,
and you'll be able to hear me explain everything on the slide to you. The first few slides you're going to go through are just a review of the notes that we took yesterday with some different ways to think about it. And again, click on the play button for each one and I'll explain it to you. And then once you get a few slides into it, you're going to do some practice problems. So here you're going to see, is this an element, a compound, and a mixture? And you're going to pick whatever you think the right answer is. I'm just going to pick mixture, but don't assume that I'm right. Once you have an answer picked, you're going to go to the next one, and it's going to tell you what the answer was and why.
This one's an element because all of the pieces.
I'm going to ask you to go through the entire slideshow. There's 26 slides, and I want you to give me answers for all of these the best you can. If you pick on an answer and you go to the next slide and you realize, oh, I was wrong, you don't have to go back and fix it. You can just keep going. This is just practice. Once you've done the slideshow and answered the questions in the slideshow, you're going to go back to our class homepage, and then you're going to go to Boom Learning and work on those cards. Your screen's probably going to look a little bit different because you have to be logged in as a student. So let me skip ahead real quick and I'll show you what they'll look like when you get in. So it should bring you, once you log in, you should see your choice to play this assignment here called element, compound, or mixture. When you do these questions, I want you to do the very best you can and to take your time, because the grade that you get on these questions is going to be your first grade for the third marking period. If you need a reminder, back on the homepage, underneath the classroom picture, you can go back and you can see that slideshow again. If you want to check information, or if you want to look at the slides where I had the pictures to show you different things, or you can click here on this flow chart, and this flow chart will also help you figure out if it's an element, a compound, or a mixture. It's going to open up here, and if that bugs you having it inside a frame, you can always click here and it'll save it to your computer. On this flow chart, it's going to have you ask questions. You start here where the big arrow is. For the boom cards, you're going to want to go to the second page because this is the one that has letters. So you're going to start where the arrow is. You're going to answer questions, find the answer, go to the next question, find the answer, go to the next question, and you're going to keep going until you end up at a red box. And those red boxes are going to tell you if it's an element, a mixture, or a compound. You can play the boom cards as many times as you would like before we have class again on Tuesday. But Tuesday morning, I'm going to go in, and whatever score you got, that's what's going to be recorded in the grade book. Have a great day. Miss you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.